Hey folks, just a real quick tutorial on how to do a Google Meet Hangout. If you set up a Google Meet Hangout with me, I will send you a calendar invite. This one came from one of my colleagues here, but they all look about the same. So it'll say something like, meeting, Professor Nicholas or whatever. It's a calendar invitation. If you click yes, it'll put it on your Google Calendar. And then it'll probably give you a reminder and all of those sorts of things. If you scroll down from here we go. You'll get other information. Down here in joining info, it'll give you this link for meet.google.com slash, and it'll give you some sort of crazy code. If you're on a computer, it'll all you have to do is click that, and it'll automatically connect you to the Google Hangout. So at whatever time we set up. So if we say, in this case, Friday at 10 a.m., at Friday at 10 a.m., come back, click this link. If you're on a computer and you have a webcam and a microphone, it'll hook up, it'll turn the video on, it'll connect you and me together. Okay. If you're on an iPhone, an iPad, or an Android device, if you click this link, it should take you to the App Store to download the app. It's a free download, and you can download it, and then again, just click that link. It'll pop the app open at 10 o'clock in the morning, whenever your appointment is set up, and we'll be connected. Okay. And once we get connected, I'll walk you through everything from my end. All right. So that's just all there is to it. It's a pretty simple setup. Just look for that calendar invite and then come down and look for the meet.google.com link. Okay. If you don't have a computer or a phone, okay, so if your computer doesn't have a microphone and camera on it, but you have a smartphone that's hooked up to a Wi-Fi network, just use your smartphone. That's fine. That'll work just fine. Camera and every mic and everything will work on it. If for any reason those two options don't work, there's actually a phone number you can dial into and just do an audio conference too. Although if we're gonna do that, we can also just do a phone call. Okay. If you've got any questions along the way, don't hesitate to let me know. I'm here to help.